Meaning of Glenfiddich.
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 Glenfiddich. Glenfiddich is a Scottish whisky brand that originated in the Speyside region of Scotland. The word Glenfiddich is derived from Gaelic, with glen meaning valley and fiddich meaning deer. The combination means Valley of the Deer. This name is inspired by the location of the distillery where deer are frequently spotted. Glenfiddich is known for its single malt whiskey, which is aged for a minimum of 12 years. The brand has won numerous awards for its quality and taste, and is popular among whiskey enthusiasts worldwide.